When precision cleaning is critical, accuracy and efficiency make all the difference. Modutek's fully automated precision parts cleaning system delivers accurate agitation and consistent handling with an intuitive HMI touchscreen that provides complete recipe control. An overhead linear motor drive robot ensures lightning-fast transfer times with pinpoint precision, enhancing throughput while maintaining delicate handling. Smart transfer baskets allow remote-controlled movement across the X, Y, and Z axes. Automated exhaust chambers with an isolation feature effectively contain and control fumes, maintaining a clean and safe processing environment. This system is built to handle up to 150 pounds per load, providing reliable and consistent performance for even the most demanding applications. Designed for ease of use, the system features cart loading with a locking interface, ensuring secure and efficient material transfer into the cleaning station. Need maintenance access? The rear access robot allows for smooth servicing without interrupting workflow, keeping operations running without delays. Our design is customized around your clean room layout, ensuring seamless integration with existing processes while maintaining accurate and consistent agitation for every cleaning cycle. Precision, reliability, efficiency. Modutek's precision parts cleaning system, engineered to deliver results. Contact Modutek today for a free consultation at 866-803-1500 or email sales@modutek.com to see how our solutions can optimize the efficiency of your precision cleaning process.